Hey guys, it's Melissa here and it's Father's Day. I was not planning on doing any centerpieces or anything fancy for Father's Day this year, but last night we cleaned up the patio. It looks great, but I have these wall pocket planters that just do terribly and nothing ever grows in them. So last night I emptied those planters and today we took a walk to the nursery and took advantage of some sale plants that are live plants. This is not a Dollar Tree arrangement or a silk flower arrangement. This is living flowers, and I am going to quickly show you a fake out trick where I'm going to just set these plants in the planter, not put any soil in or anything, and I'm just going to have them looking beautiful and trailing for my party, and then after the party we're going to plant these things in the garden. So in all of 5 minutes, I have just filled these 2 planters. As you can see, I got 2 really beautiful wall pockets out of the arrangement. I spent about $35 at the nursery, so this was not an inexpensive arrangement today, but all of these plants are going into my garden. The lobelia was 99 cents a plant. The zinnias and blooming thyme and what else? Oh, a salvia go with my other flowers in the yard, so we're gonna have a whole summer of enjoyment for these plants. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Take care and have a very happy day. Bye-bye.